Hi there, this is Jithu Trades. So I started trading like 4 months back. I got to know a lot of things out in this market, so I want to share you all that what I learned. It's like even I am not a pro, but I am here learning every day so that I feel like I can help someone out. Okay, so let's go dive into the real first important topic in the market. What do you think the real important stuff in the market? It's the market structure. It's like, what is market structure? If you guys ask me, okay, everyone should ask me, what is market structure? Jithu, you are saying a lot. You are speaking a lot. You are saying there is a equal high, there is a fair value gap, blah blah blah. But what it all means? It all comes to the market structure in the end. Okay, what the market is trying to do right now. Okay, what it's trying to say is whether it is in the buyer's control or it is in the seller's control. As a trader or whomever it is who want to be profitable in this, they should know market structure for sure. Okay, I will give you an example. Let's see. If suppose they say there are two markets, okay, everyone says there are two markets. One is a bullish market and one is a bearish market. Okay, how come they can know that it is a bullish market? Everyone knows. Everyone questions, right? Because it's going up. Everyone say it's going up. But what it means, what it's doing, that doesn't mean it go up straight like that. Markets don't move like that. It will create an imbalance. It will come to fill up those imbalance, and again it will give a moment to somewhere what it's trying to do for the moment. Okay, so right now let's keep it this way. I will say there are two markets. Okay? One is bullish market and a bearish market, correct? That's how we discussed. Okay, let's see how bullish market looks. So before saying what is a bullish market, let me explain you guys what you guys see here as uh, a red candle and this green candle. Okay, you might ask that too. Okay, I'll explain that too. So this is a gold chart. Okay, during this time around Tuesday, you guys can see this down there. Okay, Tuesday, February 17, 2026, around 17:45. This is around 45-minute candle. In that 45-minute, what it happened, it's like we speaking about this red candle right here. Okay, for this 45-minute, the price opened at the point of 4,893.5. In the same 45-minute, okay, in the same 45-minute, what it happened is the price actually came all the way down up until 4871.3. Okay, so for any sell candle, that is the red candle, you see, I will give you an example. So suppose you were seeing a red candle. If suppose this is a red candle, think like this structure I drawed here is a red candle, just like you see a candle up here. Okay, so this top you see two lines, right? What you see all this in the chart, few lines, few lines, few lines. What all these lines, Jithu? You might ask, hey, what are all these lines? Why it is all this? It's like, see, this is a 45-minute chart. Okay, and this is a 30-minute. This every candle consists of a 30-minute period of a trading window. It's like in a 30-minute time period, the sellers are more in this one candle. Okay, just think like that. Okay, so here, let me delete everything so that I will explain you what are these lines. We consider this as highs and lows. Okay, in the time period, the price, what is the highest point that the price went in that time period? Okay. But what is the opening price? Okay. Think like, okay, this red candle opened up here. Okay. Think like the opening price of this candle up here. But in this time period of 30 minutes, actually, in the maybe a little while, the price should be little bit in a green side, the buyers will be controlled. This top thing just indicates that there is an buy moment at that point. But sellers came in and they pushed all the price up until the point down here. But in the same time, buyers are trying to or interested to buy at this point, they started to buy. So the finally in this 30-minute time window, what had happened is the price opened up here, closed up here. The highest point it sold is up the top of the wick, the top of the line of this red candle. Okay, I will give you a closer look so that you might perfectly understand. Okay, this will be the highest point of that red candle. Suppose if we think this is that candle, this top line of that red candle, that will be the highest point. Okay, so let's think about this one right now, or else this one. So just say this will be the highest point of this red candle right here. This will be the highest point. This will be the opening price of it, and this will be the closing price of it, and this is the lowest point in this 30-minute window. Okay, that's how candles are created. Okay, and suppose you are seeing a buy candle. Let's go for a buy candle where it will be a open price. Jithu, you might ask, right, what it will be the open price? think think simply, the price is going up. Okay, where it will be the opening price? The opening price will be the starting of the candle. The price is selling off, the opening price is in the top of the candle. Okay, it's a simple thing. Okay, for a green candle, always the open price is the down and the close price is at the top. Similar, vice versa, just make it opposite so that you can understand it very easily. Just like, for the sell candle, the opening price will be at the top and the close price will be at the bottom. Okay, and the highs and lows are similar for both. Okay, what is the highest point sold at the time period, and what is the lowest point sold at the time period? So this is the first thing. And before explaining the market structure, I want to first say you guys, what is swing high and what is swing low? Okay, everyone speaks, everyone in the trading community, they should know what a swing high or a swing low, or else they can't trade. Okay, okay, simply, if there is a buy candle and there is a sell candle, okay, think like the price is trying to move up and at the same time the price is trying to come down. So what it creates right now, it's like a swing, right? The price tried to move up, at the same time it wants to come down. So what it creates at the top is a swing, correct? There is a increase of the price and a decrease of the price, correct? So what that is called, it's a swing high. Okay, but the same day, in the same time, okay, think like, what is a swing low? Exactly opposite, bro. Nothing to confuse, there is nothing much to confuse. There is a sell move and there is a buy move. Okay, now I explained to you guys what's the difference between a buy and a sell candle so that you can easily know. Whenever there is a sell move and followed by a buy move, what it happens, the price trying to go down, but the next whatever the time period, the people want to move the price up. So what it creates, it creates a swing low. You can feel it, right, what I'm saying? Okay, okay, let's go figure it out. Okay, Jithu, you're saying a lot right now. Here there are too many things going on. What is how we will figure out what is the swing high and a swing low? Okay, I will explain you guys. Okay, it's very easy. So I'll just take this horizontal line. So swing high, what I said, what it's a swing high? A buy move on a sell move continued by it. Okay, just see where the buy move on a sell move done. Okay, let's see here. There's a buy move up here and there is a sell move. So the top price of this, it will be the swing high. In that particular swing, what is the highest point? That will be the swing high. Okay, again there is a um, buy move and there is a sell move. So again there will be a swing high over here. So a buy move and a sell move, it's also a swing high. Okay, nothing to confuse, it's easy. Simply, these are the levels, these are the levels that the price want to reach again. Okay, the swing points. So this is a 30-minute chart. See here, there is another swing high. It's a swing high. This is also a swing high, the topmost point of that. Okay, swing high. Suppose, okay, swing lows. Okay, swing lows. So what is a swing low? I said, right, once there is a sell move and a buy move. So sell move and a buy move, it, the lowest point of that is a swing low. Okay, simple as that. Simple and easy, very clear. I'm not gonna explain this one no more. Okay, no more in this channel. Okay, I'm not gonna explain it no more. Simple thing. What is swing high? A buy move and a sell move. Okay, it's a swing high. And what is a swing low? A sell move and a buy move. Okay, a red candle followed by a green candle is swing low. A green candle followed by a red candle is a swing high. Simple as that. Just you need to understand this. This is a very basic thing in a market that you need to know before knowing the strings, the market structure. Okay. Now let's go speak about market structure. So right now you got to know what's the swing high and a swing low. Okay, let's think that this is one of the swing. Okay, so we can see here, let me zoom the shade for us so that it will be easy. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here there is a buy candle and a sell candle. Mark the top. Okay, and this is also a swing high at the same point. So what this means, see, we already got a high, swing high, and again there is a swing high forming at the same place. So right now this is called equal highs. Okay, you got it, what I'm trying to say? The market is forming an equal high points. Okay, it is saying us it's don't want to go up more than this point. It's like the buyers are not interested, or else the sellers are trying to get interest at that point. Okay, that's what it means. So it's the price tried to push up until this point, but sellers came in long, see, they came in, ate all these buyers up here, all these buyers up here, they came, just ate everyone. So let's speak about a bullish structure, how a bullish structure looks. Okay, a bullish structure is something, the prices keep on going higher and higher and the people are trying to buy more of that stock or commodity or forex pair, whatever it is. Okay, so the price is making something like this. Okay, the price is trying to move something like this. So right now what we know, it's like swing highs and a swing lows, right? So just think, this is the low before, just think that this is the low before and it made the high point up here. Okay. And what is this called? This point. It's a low before. This is also a low. But what is this? It's higher than this low. So this is called higher low. Okay, the price again pushed and it broke this structure, this swing high, and it went up until here. So what is this called right now? There is a high before, okay? Remember, there is a high before and it broke the high and it went. What this means? Higher high. So what this happens? Right now you guys can say this, Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Simple as that, okay? Whenever you see this, right, you are marking out all the swing highs and lows and you are seeing this structure, okay? Here you see a price structure like this, something like this, okay? Let me zoom this in for you guys so that you guys will understand this very properly. See, as I said, swing highs and lows, right? I will say, what is a bullish structure? Bullish structure is something but as a higher high and a higher low, it's a bullish structure. Okay. I will say what is a bullish structure right now. So here is a low before. The price pushed all up until this point. Now this is the high. Correct? So the price tried to come up until only this point. This is the low. But the price only tried to come up until this point. And what this happens, we know higher low. Okay. So the price again pushed all the way beyond this high and it set it up a high up here, a buy candle followed by a sell candle. What it makes a swing high. Okay. It creates a high. What this means, so this becomes a higher low and what this becomes, it becomes a higher high. Okay. This is a higher high. Again it makes a low up here. What this happens? Higher low. The price again pushed past this highs and it kept a high up here. What this makes right now? A higher high. Okay. So what the price is trying to do up in this point is go up like this, 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 this. What this makes right now? You can say it, right? Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. What this makes? It makes a bullish structure. Okay? Simple as that. So right now, I want to explain you in a real market what is certainly a bearish structure. Okay? Hey Jithu, all this time it is a bullish structure. Certainly why the people came in to selling and how did I didn't know that suddenly it happened, You should not ask me later, no? Because I'm saying and explaining you guys only one time and that's it. This is the market structure, a real important topic in trading that you should know that to be a trader. Simple as that, okay? Now, this is a real important thing I want to teach you guys. So, now suddenly what happened? It's a low before, right? It's a low before this one, okay? My ignore my drawing. It might be a little bit messy, so don't mind it. So just think it's a low, but the price came all the way down up until this point. What it happens right now? The market is just simply intimating us, hey brother, all this time I am in a buy mode, but I am not in a buy mode anymore. Okay. I am trying to go low into a price. Okay. So this is a low, and this creates a lower low. Okay, and only the price pushed only up until this points and created a high here. What is a high? A buy candle followed by a sell candle is a swing high. Okay, you are asking me, hey Jithu, that is the high before, high before. Right now you are saying this a high. What this high is? Simple, bro. It's a high. A high lesser than a high. It's a lower high. Okay. Simple. Lower high. And right now, what is the low point? A sell candle followed by a buy candle. It's a swing low. Correct? A sell candle followed by a buy candle. Swing low. A buy candle followed by a sell candle. Swing high. It's a high before, and right now it created another high. What this means? Another low high. Okay, the price again made a sell candle followed by a buy candle. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I guess you guys can understand this. So what this creates right now, the market intimated us. It's going to change into a other structure, which is bearish. Okay, and it made its structure. The price is going lower and lower and lower. So whenever you are finding the structure on a swing highs and a swing lows, that forms a lower high and a lower lows, that is called a bearish structure, and a higher highs and a higher lows is called a bullish structure. That's it for today. I don't want to give more information in the same time, so and I ruin your entire learning process in this journey. So have fun for today. Learn this, just this very common, very basic thing that is the very crucial part in this part of trading. If you know this and you just follow this, you can be profitable, okay, and you can live your life in your wish. But I'm not here to give any financial advice. I'm just trying to learn myself, okay. I'm just trying to teach too, because I feel like I can teach. Have fun, guys. See ya. Good night. I'm going to go sleep. Bye.